city is so beautiful, guys. So we are going to be crossing the road.
Hello guys, welcome back to another beautiful vlog for you guys. How are you guys doing? I know you all are doing well. You're coming across this channel for the first time. My name is Mary Queen and you are welcome to Mary Queen Longsman channel. Okay, where everything long, like long life and prosperity. So guys, I'm taking you guys on a beautiful tour this evening. It's evening stroke night. It's night guys because we are having longer day and shorter nights at this point in Senegal. So guys, I just want to tell you guys this particular city is area. Okay, I'm used to calling it area, but it's city. So do well to give this video a thumbs up, do well to share, do well to subscribe to my channel, and I will allow it natural because I'm not gonna do any video, I'm not gonna put any background music, I'm not gonna be talking. I'll just allow it just the way I'm vlogging it. Just enjoy the natural sound of everything about this particular tour. Okay, bye bye.
Side. See that flyover. This place is Parcel now. This is the neighborhood. Peggy. The neighborhood. This cloth is beautiful. Tell you. Whatever. Daga. Akelle na ntie. Lekwe uzo, see the road. So guys, yes, I did not tell you guys. Yesterday we had rain. Yesterday we had rain. Like as in God blessed us yesterday with rain. Heavy rainfall. So this evening I decided to tour the city, the neighborhood, so we can see what it looks like. Yesterday we had a wonderful rain, and wonderful rain. It's not only other countries that can enjoy rain. We enjoyed rain yesterday. I was so happy. I enjoyed the rainfall. So yes, so you see how everywhere is. Look, 8 o'clock. Oh, but it's almost 8 or 8 o'clock. This place now, this direction now, is beach. So guys, the neighborhood is. Hey, this one is mountain. Moi, here. So I'm trying to cross over to the other side of the main road. Hey, Shinengo. Night. It's 8 o'clock, oh, but see how everywhere is still bright, guys. Look at the crowd. Everywhere is changing small. And that place is beach. There's beach there. And this is the city. And this is everywhere night. And that's why you guys to talk. Wow, this view is beautiful. Oh, and we're playing the wow. This is the Dakar you don't know. Woo! Look at our road. Our road is very, very beautiful. Tantalizing road. Night in Dakar, Senegal. Everywhere people are still. You see how hot Senegal is. Even now it's 8 o'clock. People are still at the beach. Just over there. If you look there, you will notice there's water. There's water there. You see the street light is on. That is to show you. You see everywhere. Eshelemi. Eshelemi. But I know so. I want to maybe share me home again. Natural view. This is the car road. And this is the beach right there. There's beach close there. No matter. I got them away for sound of this video. I got it like this. I want to say by Shala. Because can we kill our because on for the Maliki name. So this side is main road, and this side is main road. Sure, Jen. I hope this thing is not shaking. I don't want shake. Anyway, come by me here, home, we are close to that beach right there. Yes, sir. Anyways. Yeah, bye, Gaga. Now they can remember whatever you do.
So guys, the night has finally come. Like everywhere is night. Now it's fast approaching, still like 9 o'clock or after 9. So I'll see you all on my next one. See you, love you, bye.